So in this video, I'll show you the disease prediction system, and it works on the Android app and the web application.
And in web application we'll be creating simple disease prediction interface. So both thing has completed. Okay, so this is the user interface which I have created and I have hosted into this site. Okay, so here you can simply select the symptoms. I have given a search bar, so you can select different types of symptoms, and based on the symptoms and model it will make the prediction and give the result. Okay, just like here I have selected these four symptoms. Okay, and I have clicked on predict disease. So after clicking predict detects, it is giving me the result key which disease is matching and what is a confidence score and matching doctors, whatever doctors list you have mentioned in the particular excel sheet. Based on the specialization it is giving the suggestion. Okay, so I have integrated both the thing. Okay, and based on top 3 4 results, matching results, it is giving the result outputs doctor recommendation. Okay, so you can try with your use case. Just like suppose these are one of the diseases, right? So let me select the symptoms and let me try to put it one by one. You can also try with your own. You just have to copy this and you have to select one by one. Okay, and then you have to click predict disease button, so it will give the result. Okay, similarly there is an application. Okay, this is the application. So let me do the logout. In the Android application I have shared you the admin credential, correct, previously. So just let me log in with the same credential, admin. So first you have to do the login with the admin credential, and first you have to add the doctor. Okay, so you can add all the doctors which you have mentioned in the excel sheet. Okay, and you can select the specialization accordingly. Okay, and in the uh, list of doctor, all list doctor, you can have the list of doctors which you have added. Okay, and you can also delete the same. Okay, and in the pending bookings you can see all list of appointments which user a patient has been booked. Okay, and you can check the direction. If you have mentioned the latitude longitude, so it will give the direction as well. Similarly, in view all bookings you will have the all bookings. Okay, in the pending whatever the upcoming bookings are there, it will show on here, and in the all it will be show the all list. Okay, similarly you can also do the login with the doctor credential. If you put doctor credential here. Okay, there's a only one login is there. Okay, so based on user role it will automatically validate it. Okay, suppose this is a doctor login. Okay, so in the pending appointments it will show the all pending appointment. As of now there is nothing. Okay, and in the all appointments it will show the list of all appointments which has been done under the doctor. Okay, similarly you can do the login with the patient portal. You can create the account of user portal from home page. Okay, and when you start the application you will get the option to create an account. Okay, from there you can create. Just I have already the account, so I just go to the portal. Okay, so in the all doctor list you will have the list of doctors. You can also book the appointment from here. So user can make the prediction of a particular disease and they will get the specialization, and based on the specialization they can book the schedule the doctor, or 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 they can go for the direction of the hospital. Okay, and it will also show the uh, costing. And in the appointment history you will have the list of appointments. Okay, and it did all the generals option. Okay, upcoming have upcoming, and in the disease prediction, so I have integrated the same web page here. So here also you can make the prediction. You can select the disease. Okay, and make the prediction. It will give the results accordingly. Okay, so this way we have completed all the system. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.